Well, hello there and welcome to another training nugget. In this video, I will be showing you on how to update the PHP version in Cpanel. So let's get started. Well, the first thing you'll want to do is to log in into your Cpanel account using the provided username and password. You'll navigate into the Tools section and scroll down to the Software segment. On the software part, the number of softwares that you might want to interact with. Our interest is on PHP. Now, I'd like you to notice that I have two aspects of PHP. I have Multi-PHP Manager and I have the Select PHP version. In this case, there is also another PHP and editor and even the PHP Power package. Now, for you to change the PHP version of your specific site, you navigate into the Multi-PHP Manager. I'll click on that. And from the page that shows up, I have the ability to select a specific site that is hosted within my account and change the PHP version. For example, these accounts in here, these are the different PHP versions that they are operating in. This happens to be 8.0, this is 8.1, and the rest follow along. So if I want to change one of the site's PHP version from 8.0 to something else, the first thing I'll want to do is to navigate on the checkmark option and select that site in question. Notice that I can also select multiple sites that are hosted within my account and change the PHP version within just a single click. Once you select the site in question, you'll navigate into the PHP version top area and click on the drop-down. On the flyout menu, there are a number of PHP versions from the early versions to the very latest at the time of recording this video. If I want this to be 7.4, I select 7.4 up here and click on Apply. I'll let it to load, and once it's done, you'll get a successful completion message at the very top section saying the 7.4 has been set to your domain. And if I look into the site, I can tell that now the domain I have selected is now running on PHP 7.4. Well, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next nugget.